Bear is still getting used to his carrots. It's an adventure whenever it's a new texture or a new feel. What you got, Bear? What you got? Yeah, got carrot. Where'd he go? Bear, can you put it over here? Can you bring it on your bed? Hmm? Can you do that? Oh, where'd the carrot? Where'd it go? Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Uh-oh. We gotta jump on it. We gotta jump on it. Bring it on your rug. Good job. Down. Good job, Bear. Bear's 15 weeks old. Full of energy. Are we all done with our carrot now? Are you still testing it out?